Hi, have you ever wanted to fly a drone? My name is Charles and I'm glad to introduce you Droninio, our DIY drone made at Polytech Online. We built a smart and easy to learn quadcopter that can fit to everyone. Its intuitive and adaptive functionality allows it to fit to your level and skills. Our team is divided into 4 departments: Arduino, hardware, Android, and finally web. Through our video, you will learn more about our project and who worked hard to do it.
In charge of the Arduino program, I mainly work on the code in C language to make the drone fly and be stable. I wrote a consequent program using information on the web and using the registers, as seen in the class here at Polytech. I also worked on the Wi-Fi communication between the drone and the Android app on your phone. And I also code the remote to fit to our DIY drone using an Arduino Mega. Thus, I coded the remote to fit to our DIY drone using an Arduino Mega.
So, I was engineer in the Arduino department and I was co-working with Julien. That include work in the flight process, the stabilization of the drone, and the operation of ultrasound sensors in aim to secure the drone in the air. So I configured the parameters to be able to make 4 sensors work all at the same time. And also I helped in all the tests we proceeded to stabilize the drone, and at the end of the project being able to have a flying and functional drone.
I was in charge of the website, so I created an intuitive and accessible interface. We set our website on droninio.ovh and created our link database. I coded a map to see your previous flight and connected it to a database. I used the Google Maps extension to simplify the code and use existing elements instead of creating everything. You can create your personal accounts and access to exclusive documents and functionalities.
I was part of the mechanical department with Alexander, and I was responsible for the assembly of the tool. I searched for the datasheet to give to my partner the indications they want, and I soldered the different components on the boards. Then I finished by checking each weld to avoid the faulty contact.
I was responsible for the Android app that I developed on Android Studio under Android 5.1 Lollipop. I created the Wi-Fi connection part between the app and the drone, finding a way to send the data in both ways, drone app and app drone. I coded the GPS to send location to your personal account to save your previous flight. I also created a way to control sensors' sensibility to adapt to the environment in collaboration with the Arduino team.
Leader of the mechanical department, I drew and created the main electronic onboard to support all our components. I had to study the datasheet you found to make the correct holes for the different pins.